Welcome to Gear Grinders, where we bring you the latest and most exciting developments in the world of automobiles and motorcycles. Today, we shift our focus to a true legend in the sport bike arena, the 2026 Suzuki Hayabusa. Revered for its blistering speed and aerodynamic design, the Hayabusa has long been the symbol of performance and prestige in the motorcycle world. The 2026 model pushes the envelope once again, blending cutting-edge technology with unmistakable style. Let's dive into what makes this new Hayabusa a thrilling evolution of a modern classic. Design and aesthetics. The 2026 Suzuki Hayabusa retains its unmistakable silhouette but introduces sharper lines and more aggressive angles that enhance both aerodynamics and road presence. The front fairing has been revised with sleeker LED headlamps and integrated turn signals for a futuristic appeal. A redesigned tail section and new body panels give it a more compact yet muscular look, while new color schemes and graphics elevate its visual impact. Subtle refinements help the Hayabusa look faster even when standing still, maintaining its status as a design icon in the sport bike category. Performance and powertrain. The heart of the 2026 Hayabusa remains the legendary 1,340 cubic centimeters inline-4 engine, now further tuned for smoother throttle response, better mid-range torque, and improved emissions compliance. While the peak power figures remain similar to its predecessor, revised engine mapping and intake/exhaust tweaks offer a more linear and responsive feel. The 6-speed transmission is now matched with a bidirectional quick shifter for effortless gear changes. Updated ride-by-wire throttle and an enhanced Suzuki Drive Mode selector (SDMS) give riders more control over performance settings. Lightweight frame updates and revised suspension geometry improve high-speed stability and cornering precision, making the Hayabusa not just fast, but confidence-inspiring. Safety and technology. Advanced rider aids play a central role in the 2026 Hayabusa. The latest version of Suzuki's Intelligent Ride System (SIRS) includes traction control, launch control, lean angle-sensitive ABS, and wheelie control, all adjustable through a modern full-color TFT display. Riders can also access turn-by-turn navigation, smartphone connectivity, and customizable riding profiles. Suzuki's new Busa Connect feature enables real-time diagnostics and performance tracking via a companion app. Every element is designed to offer safety and control without diluting the thrill that defines the Hayabusa experience. Conclusion. The 2026 Suzuki Hayabusa continues its reign as a benchmark in the world of high-performance motorcycles. With refined power delivery, sharper styling, and a suite of intelligent tech, it offers riders an exhilarating yet composed ride. Whether you're carving canyon roads or dominating the highway, the new Hayabusa delivers unmatched presence and performance.